In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Pocket Option Demo account. If you've been practicing trades and want a clean slate with fresh virtual funds, this quick walkthrough will get you there in just a moment, while also helping you understand what's happening on screen and why. First, head over to the Pocket Option website. Use your usual web browser and make sure you're on the official site so everything looks and works the way it should. The demo area is designed for practice only, so nothing you do there affects any real funds. It's a safe space to test strategies, learn the platform, and build confidence without risk. Once you're on the site, look for the free demo option and click it. This takes you straight into the demo trading interface. You'll see a simulated balance displayed prominently, typically near the top of the platform. That number represents your virtual funds, which are there purely for training. If you've been experimenting for a while, the balance may be higher or lower, depending on your recent practice results. Next, locate the Reset button that sits right beside your balance. It's placed close to the balance display, so you can instantly restore your demo funds whenever you need a fresh start. Go ahead and click Reset. This action refreshes your demo account balance back to the default amount, which is usually around $50,000 in virtual funds. The exact figure can vary depending on the platform's current settings, but the idea is the same. You're clearing your practice slate so you can evaluate your strategies from a neutral starting point. That's all it takes. You've gone to the Pocket Option website, entered the free demo, clicked Reset next to your balance, and now your virtual funds are topped back up to the default level. This is especially useful if you want to run a new back-to-back test, compare how different strategies perform from the same starting balance, or simply remove the noise of previous practice sessions. A couple of helpful notes as you move forward. The demo environment mirrors the look and feel of live trading, but it's still simulated. Use the Reset feature thoughtfully so you can measure your progress over time. If you're testing a new approach, consider noting your results before resetting so you can compare outcomes later on. And remember, resetting the demo balance does not touch any real accounts or real funds. That's it for today's tutorial. Enjoy your refreshed demo balance and happy practicing.